Vendavo Pricepoint is the ultimate business tool for controlling, managing, and measuring all aspects of your pricing. It's a cloud-based application distributed through your web browser and accessible on your PC, laptop, tablet, and mobile phone. Vendavo Pricepoint has full role flexibility, which means it's easier than ever to manage who should have which editing and usage rights at different levels in your organization. Vendavo Pricepoint is divided into different functional groups, including your dashboard, search, price management, market management, deal management, and others. The dashboard is designed for your user profile, with different reports and alerts necessary for making your most important daily business decisions. Some of your alerts will keep you up to date on products that still need to be priced, which is done in the price management module. Once you have validated that the new product has been correctly classified by the system, you can set the new international reference price based on the pricing strategies you have defined for that product's group. For product groups with predefined rules, Pricepoint will automatically suggest a price based on the information provided. Create a new international reference price by setting the target price to valid. Setting new dynamic price rules is simple and straightforward with Vendavo Pricepoint. Clicking on Price Rule allows you to see exactly how each price is calculated for any product. Users can get a visual on how their prices are calculated by clicking on Graph. Easily access important information about each product, like cost, current reference prices, the average sales price of each item based on available transactional data, competitor price information, target price, and any other attributes necessary for intelligent pricing decisions. Manage your pricing rules under Pricing Info. The rules you create are listed in order of priority based on your business strategy. Clicking on a price rule will allow you to view any information regarding the equation and post conditions. Simulating a shift in prioritized pricing rules is as easy as dragging and dropping the preferred rule to the top of the list and clicking Simulate. Price rules can be created using any product-related information, and there is no limit on the amount of value drivers you can include in your strategy. Specialized apps within Vendavo Pricepoint, such as market-level simulation, can help you design your business logic based on product attributes by analyzing your current strategy and sales data and making recommendations. In addition to seeing the impact on the individual products, users can simulate the impact on individual price lists based on historical sales data. In the Market Management module, you can manage your markets, discount groups, and recommended selling price. Easily identify your market-level factors based on your valid list price, simulate and make adjustments, as well as manage currency rates based on daily fluctuations. Make recommendations to local sales companies, set price corridors, and maintain an overview of your strategy from a corporate perspective. Vendavo Pricepoint users now have access to Visual Analytics, a dedicated reporting tool designed to illustrate, export, and share the results of your pricing strategy. Here you can track the total quantity of products sold, total net sales, as well as sales performance of a product over time per market, based on your Vendavo Pricepoint data. Easily identify which markets are doing well and which need improvement. Drill down into any other available data sets, such as sales by customer. Each customer who made a purchase during the selected time period is now visible in your graph. Select any customer by clicking on the graph to view the number of their purchases and the total net sales relating to their account. Use Visual Analytics to build specific reports and dashboards that cater to your business needs. Build with and visualize all the data available within Vendavo Pricepoint, such as value drivers, cost, and sales. Use functions like the Sunburst dashboard to compare your markets and get a good overview of the net sales. Visual analytics does the work, giving you the power and opportunities to make intelligent choices based on dynamic pricing strategies. Vendavo Pricepoint's ready-to-go activation makes your system setup simple. Within 2 hours, the system can be fully activated. Within 2 weeks, the industry best practice configuration is completed. Within 2 months, you can expect full CRM and ERP integration, ensuring access to all the sales data you need to succeed in your pricing journey. And with our top-of-the-line security certifications in SOC 1 and SOC 2, Type 2 compliance, as well as ISO IEC information security management, you can rest assured that your data protection is guaranteed. With Vendavo Pricepoint, control over your pricing has never been so easy. Vendavo. Sell more. Profitably.